Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the watch icon right here at the top to open the device page for your SUUNTO Vertical. Now scroll through this page, find the option called Manage Connection, and once you find it, tap on it. And here tap on Forget. The watch will disappear from the device page. Now we can close the app, open the Bluetooth settings on our phone, and check if the SUUNTO Vertical is right here on the list of devices. As you can see, it's not, so probably on your phone it won't be, but if it was, you can tap on the settings icon, tap on Forget, and then confirm to forget the watch. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.